Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find and add keywords to your Squarespace website. Now, keywords are the actual search terms or things that people search in search engines. So for example, if you've ever typed in on Google, restaurants near me is a keyword. And you want to find the keywords that your target customers are searching for so you can add them to your Squarespace website, which is crucial because 85% of Squarespace websites get zero organic traffic. So finding profitable keywords your target customers search for and then adding them to the right places is key to get found. And for those of you that don't know me, my name's Henry Purchase. I'm the founder of SEO Space. I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace, which also has keyword research functionality, which is what I'm going to walk you through in this video. So if you want to try SEO Space on a 7-day free trial, feel free to head to the first link in the description. Now, starting out with how to find keywords, I'm going to be using this example of a wedding photographer in London. I learned from examples, so I'm hoping this is going to be pretty helpful. Now, there's actually 3 ways to find keywords. First of all, you can use a keyword explorer. And a keyword explorer is going to give you different keyword ideas within a topic. So if I'm trying to find keywords for this wedding photographer in London, all I would have to do is type in the niche, so wedding photographer London. You could type in, let's say you're a therapist in New York, you type in therapy New York. Let's say you're a website designer, you can put in website designer here and the location you want to rank in. And then from there, you'll just press search and you'll get all these different related keywords. You can see here, there's 176 keywords. I'm going to click view all. And then from here, you can sort by the highest searched and you can even filter by only easy to rank for keywords. So KD stands for keyword difficulty, and this is only going to show me easy keywords. So that is the first way to find keywords. You type in the topic or niche that you're in, the industry, into a keyword explorer. You go through the list and you find a keyword that makes sense, that just common sense dictates that your target customers would be searching. So that's one way to find keywords. Another way to find keywords is by putting a competitor into this competitor analysis tool. And what this essentially allows you to do is spy on any of your competitors to see what keywords they rank for, so you can steal those ideas and apply them to your own site. So let's just take SEO Space's own site, for example. When I search here, this is going to show all the keywords that SEO Space ranks for in the US, as you can see here. So when I click view all organic keywords, I can again view all. It's going to show us the top 1,000. And then from here, I can show all the keywords that SEO Space is getting traffic from. For example, here you can see we're positioned 1 for Squarespace SEO plugin in the US. So that is the second way you can find keywords. The third way you can find keywords, this is actually a new way that we're soon integrating into SEO Space. It's by using a keyword research agent. An AI agent is something that goes out there and does the work for you in order to find profitable keywords. And this again is what we're linking into SEO Space. And what you can do here, you can see, give me 10 keyword opportunities. So if I click on this agent is going to ask me, sure, please tell me the topic you'd like to find long tail keywords for. So keyword opportunities. I can take this website and you could take your own website. I could put that in and say, I am a wedding photographer based in London. So here you don't have to do anything of what I've just shown you. You can just ask this AI agent and it's going to actually find the keywords for you. And this is really powerful, especially for those just starting out, which don't really know how to find keywords. You can just explain what your business does, and this is actually going to find them for you. So as you can see here, it's giving us 10 keyword opportunities that are long tail, so they're lower competition. It's giving us the keyword, the monthly searches. So it's giving us a ton of different opportunities. And again, I could speak to this agent in order to find other opportunities. So that's the third way, and that will be soon integrated into SEO Space. Now, once you've actually found your keyword, this is where the keyword optimization process starts. So this is how you actually add your keywords to Squarespace. Now, the easiest way to do this is take the keyword that you want to target. So let's say, for example, the website I showed you earlier wants to attract people looking for an affordable wedding photographer London because they're just starting out and they really want to build their portfolio and go for a less competitive market. All they would have to do is open SEO Space's plugin, as you can see here. It works both on a live web page and on the Squarespace editor. Then if I click scan with a keyword, enter that keyword in and then press scan, SEO Space is going to scan this web page and give me step-by-step instructions of how to rank higher for that keyword, and therefore also where to actually add that keyword in order to be able to rank higher up on Google. So as you can see here, we can scroll through all the suggestions. And in general, where you want to place your keyword is in several key places. First of all, your SEO title. So you want to actually go on Squarespace, find the page you want to optimize, head to settings, SEO, and then here you can see the SEO title. So the keyword that you found, you want to make sure you include it in your SEO title, and you want to make sure your SEO title is between 50 and 60 characters. And that is exactly what SEO Space is recommending here. It says primary keyword usage. Your SEO title doesn't include your primary keyword. So I want you to include your keyword in your SEO title, which you can access by going to the page settings, SEO, and then here. You'll also see that it's giving us suggestions for our SEO description. And again, if we click on this, it's saying that we need to use our keyword in our SEO description. Now, since we've already covered the SEO title, we may as well cover the SEO description, because again, that is just beneath that in the SEO settings on any particular web page. And again, you need to make sure you include your keyword in your SEO description. And if you don't know what those are, if I just type in Squarespace SEO plugin here, essentially your SEO title is the blue link text that shows up on search engines, and your SEO description is what shows up beneath it. So your SEO title and description are not only important for communicating to Google what you want to rank for, but they're also crucial to attract target customers to actually click on you. Your SEO title and description are almost like your shop window. So if you want to get found, you need to optimize it for Google. But if you want to be clicked on, you need to make sure you also optimize it for users. So we've covered SEO title and SEO description. Then we're going to go on to your heading. Now, your H1 heading is the main heading on your web page. So as you can see here, usually your heading will be the main heading at the top, and you'll see that you need to make sure you include your primary keyword in that heading. And again, doing this on Squarespace is super, super easy. All you're gonna wanna go is go on the Squarespace editor. You can change the style of your headings. So you can make something a H1, a H2, a H3, different sizes of headings by just clicking the text, selecting here, and you can select H1, H2, H3, H4. Now you want to make sure that your keyword is included in your H1, so the main heading at the top of the web page, as well as also a H2, a subheading further down the web page. So as you can see here, I've included Squarespace SEO plugin, that keyword in this title. And if I wanted to optimize this web page, I would need to make sure I included affordable wedding photographer London in this main heading as well. And as I mentioned, you ideally want one heading, one H1, one main heading per web page. Now we've covered that, I'm now going to walk through one of the final places you need to add your keywords, and that is in your page's content. In general, you want to add your target keyword in the first 100 words of the web page that you want to rank. So in this section here, I would add affordable wedding photographer London, again, to communicate to Google that I want to rank for it. I would put it in a subheading, as I've already mentioned. And in this case, SEO Space is also going to tell you how many times you need to include that keyword on the actual web page. So you need to make sure you naturally include your keyword in your web page's content, again, to make it easy for Google to understand what you actually want to rank for. Now, the last place that I actually recommend you add your keyword is actually in at least one alt text. As you can see here, it's recommending that you add your primary keyword to your target keyword that you just found in at least one image alt text. There you are, guys. That is a quick tutorial of how to find profitable keywords, 3 different methods, and all the places that you should actually add keywords to your Squarespace website. Now, as I already mentioned, SEO Space actually automates telling you where you should put it on each web page. So feel free to head to the first link in the description to access a 7-day free trial. And make sure you leave any comments below if you've got any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.